Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds. After the screen turns on and you can see the ALCATEL logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here in recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such features as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and after that device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.